Alright, disassembly line, Kaweco DA2 simple pen. How do you disassemble it? Unscrew the cap, unscrew the barrel, screw the barrel back into the cap, easy storage. Take out the converter, converter disassembles completely. How? Put the piston about halfway through, doesn't really matter. Take off the wee little bit right there, the little ring. Off comes the turning knob as well, which you can then easily push out with your thumb. Do you really need to take this out? Not really. What matters is this part. Take out the piston, put a little bit of silicone grease there if it doesn't move smoothly. Careful you don't lose the wee little plastic bit, which actually fits in here in a particular manner because there's a little slot on the side. So make sure it slips into the slot right there. Take your piston turning knob, put it back on. Take the little wee metal bit that just rolled off, a will of its own, innit, little bugger. Put it back in, done. Section. Put the nib in the crook of your little index finger. Put your thumb on top, and you can take out the nib and feed. Some of these pens, the nib collar comes out just like that, but to be honest it doesn't really matter unless you've got ink in there, you want to clean it. You can also just pull out the nib and feed, it doesn't matter. When you've cleaned these well, nib kind of slots onto place. On the feed, take the collar any way you like, it doesn't really matter. There's no real cutout for nib or feed. You see it's completely round, will work just fine. Put it back in there, screw it in, doesn't have to be super tight. Take your converter, put it back in, take your barrel, screw that back on there, cap the pen, have a clean pen, sit back, enjoy yourself some haggis. Bye!